Hi, I'm Dan and I'm a structural engineer working for Simpson Strong-Tie. Simpson Strong-Tie's story starts in the US in 1956 when Barclay Simpson, the company founder, creates a joist hanger using a punch press after being asked by the brother of a neighbour if he could make a product to connect some 2x4 timber for a roof. And it's exactly the solution and customer-driven focus that ever since that joist hanger has served Simpson Strong-Tie well in developing not only hundreds of innovative products, but also building trusted relationships and partnerships. Today, Simpson Strong-Tie has over 3,000 employees in more than 50 factories and offices and warehouses globally, and offers an array of solutions for cold-formed steel, structural steel, carbon and glass fibre polymer systems, and of course for light timber frame and mass timber structures. Many of these products were developed in-house to meet a customer's needs, just like that first joist hanger. Though today we have our own state-of-the-art test laboratories at our disposal, and of course, quite different manufacturing plants to that punch press that Bark first used. Over the more recent years, the interest in using timber for buildings taller and bigger than our residential homes has opened new opportunities, and Simpson Strong-Tie has and continues to invest heavily in connectors and fasteners for this evolving market segment. CLT Toolbox was delighted to be able to partner with Simpson Strong-Tie to include our relevant product range in the CLT Toolbox software, and looking to continue to foster this new partnership as both the CLT Toolbox suite is developed and Simpson Strong-Tie's product range continues to grow and is refined globally. It's an exciting partnership because not only is it about CLT or mass timber, it's an aligned desire to educate and enable engineers and designers to do more with wood. A partnership creating opportunities for mass timber and mass timber elements and connections in hybrid buildings using a combination of engineered wood products and light timber frame. And potentially even integrating timber elements with steel and concrete and true hybrid structures to deliver even better cost efficiencies yet. Thanks CLT Toolbox for partnering with Simpson Strong-Tie to help design and build safer, stronger structures.